How to use Gemini to add event to your Samsung calendar. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So today I'm going to show you how you can easily use Gemini to add event to your Samsung calendar. This is a handy feature that will make managing your schedule a breeze. So let's dive right in. Open up your Gemini and then you can just type it or use the microphone icon to set an event. So I'm going to say I want to add an event for dinner with Rosu this Friday at 8 p.m. To go ahead and tap on Samsung calendar, and you can see that the event has been set. It says dinner at 8 p.m. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.